Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'm going to show you how to download an entire folder from Google Drive on your PC. Whether you need a local backup or you want to work offline, these steps will make it quick and simple. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Drive. Then sign into your Google account that has the folder you want to download. Navigate to My Drive and locate the folder you wish to save to your computer. Next, right-click the folder and then from the menu, select Download. Google Drive will compress the folder into a single zip file before downloading. This keeps the folder structure intact and makes it easier to transfer multiple files at once. A download indicator appears in the bottom right corner immediately as you click the download. Remember guys, large folders will produce a large zip archive, so the file size depends on the content of the folder. If the folder is especially large, consider using Drive for Desktop as an alternative. This app syncs folders directly to designated folders on your PC without manually zipping them. After the zip finishes, open your downloads folder in File Explorer, right-click the zip, and then choose Extract on Windows. You can double-click the file on Mac to unzip it as well. Pick a destination folder where you want the files to be stored and complete the extraction. And that's that, guys. You have just downloaded a folder from Google Drive. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.